Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to censor a small portion of your video. So I have a clip. Let's say I want to censor this chat box. So what you have to do is select the clip, click on Make Composite Shot. Once you click there, give it a name, then click on Editor Sequence and move with clip. It will create a new tab. Blur chat box. In here you'll see the clip, and what you have to do is click on new layer, insert a new layer and click on grade. You'll be given a selection box which you can drag to resize it. So from here, drag to resize it, size it so that it matches the chat box. Then find the location where the chat box appears. So in my case it's about right here. So this is the beginning of the chat box showing up. So I'm going to place it on top of it. So drag the beginning of this layer to the location when the first chat box appears. So this is going to be the starting point, and then what you're going to do is apply effect. So we're going to choose, it's up to you what you want to apply. You can do blur, motion blur, zoom blur, you can distort. So in this tutorial I'm going to select my favorite, mosaic. So what you do is click on mosaic and drag it on your layer. Once you drag it on your layer, it's going to show up under effects. Now see, the chat box is showing up blurry because I applied mosaic distort effect. And now if I play the video, you'll see the chat box appearing distorted, and it's going to stay there until as long as you want. In my second, it's going to stay there for about 15 seconds. See, the chat box disappeared in about right here, and the box still appears blurry. So you don't want that. So you want to stop that effect right after the chat box disappears. So I'm going to try to locate the location where the chat box disappears. It's right here in this frame, right? So I want to, you can either slice it or you can drag the end of it and put it here, right there. Now if I rename it, it's going to be alright. So now if I play the video from the beginning, play it, see the chat box is blurry, it's going to stay there, and then about right now it disappears. Now I saw a flaw. I think I have to keep it one more frame right there. There you go. So I'm going to fix that right now. So let's play it again. There you go. Perfect. So now we can go back to your timeline and rewind the video and play from the beginning. See the chat box appearing blurry. That's exactly what you want. You could have multiple layers at different location of your video, creating censorship.